Hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to modify the quantities of combos in Odoo 19 point of sale. So let's dive into the point of sale module, and from here, let me move on to the restaurant. So let's go with continue selling, and here we can just choose a combo product. So I would like to consider the combo product as um, sushi. So let's move on with the table, and here you can see that the sushi lunch combo. So as I just choose the combo here, you can see that we have sushi, which are free, and one drink also free. Okay, uh, like 0 by 2. So now let me just move on to backend, and I'll show you the change in Odoo 19. Now let's move on to the products and consider sushi. And here you can find the lunch combo of sushi, and let's consider that. And here we have the combo choices. And as we just move on to here, you can see that we can just order maximum 4 items over here. Like as you just move on with the question mark here, you can see the maximum number of item to be selected in this combo will be 4. And here you can see that, and that will include 2 items as free. Okay. So number of items to be included, free items to be included in the combo will be um, 2. And here you can see lunch maki, lunch salmon, salmon and avocado, and lunch timaki mix with 3 pieces are the items that included under the combo choices. Now again, let's move on to the dashboard, and let's open the restaurant, and let's move on to the uh, table 8 and have the order into it. So here you can see this was the table, and let's move on with the sushi combo, and I would like to consider lunch. So here you can see we have just added one item over here, and let me add the other one is uh, lunch salmon, and let me add the item uh, lunch salmon and avocado. So afterwards, let me add lunch timaki and mix. So here you can see 2 by 2 is free, and here one of the drink is free. So let me add the item, and let's order. So let's try to add a more quantity into this. So as we just go with more quantity here, you can see that we have to just make payment for the additional quantity. So in this case, it's not possible to add the item because the maximum number of quantity that we can add in this combo is 4. So let me just change the quantity. So as I just change the quantity here, you can see the that altogether we have 4 quantity right now. And if I just want to increase the quantity, I can increase. So if I just increase the quantity, the price will be changing over here, and 2 items will be free, and maximum number of items that we can order is 4. Now let me add the item, and you would be able to see all the items over here. And if you want to just go with the ordering and payment, you can just go with that, and let's choose payment over here, and let's find the customer. So I have just selected my customer, and afterwards we just need to choose the payment over here, and let's click on validate, and we have just end with the order over here. So let's click on validate to make the payment, and the payment has been completed over here. So in Odoo 19, we can easily modify the quantities of the combos over here. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.